Hey, it's about 10 a.m. and already close to 80 degrees. So I'm not going to have much longevity working out here. But this is the area I'm going to focus on today. I'm raking. This is not terribly exciting and adventurous like cutting down trees usually is, but it's necessary. First thing's to get rid of this vine. Oh my God. Okay, so this is one of the vines that I hadn't noticed it was still up in the tree. This is the muscadine, and you can see how destructive these are up in the tree, taking the sunlight away from the tree. Plus I just don't like them. Now, I cut it off at the ground level, and I'm going to have to dig up that root too, which will be just as extensive as what you just saw me bring down from above. Sometimes I'm not able to pull them out. That was a small one. I've seen these vines, these grandfather vines, have stems 2 inches thick, and they're going like 70 feet up into a huge tree. There's no way you can pull them down by hand. The holly tree is very thankful to me right now. But I'll see if I can get that root out. Hope you're able to see this. I'm not even getting all of the root. Okay, see that? That's just part of the root. This part here that's already cut off, I evidently got that out maybe yesterday. And this bit here you can see is far from all of it. If I had all the roots, all the branches that went to this thing, it would probably go out 40 yards in every direction. You've got like actually close to 3 acres here, maybe more than 3 acres. So actually I have 2 properties right next to each other, and this is a lot of work. So wheelbarrow's full. Time to go down to the fire pit, and I think I've shown enough today to illustrate the problem with these grapevines. As they grow up, you got to get them out of the tree, and they're underground. There's quite a few of them right along here, just because this area of the property, which is the border, is just ignored for so many decades, and I consider that my fault. So to me, this is not just pointless labor. I look at it as a spiritual exercise, really, an obligation on my part. People have even asked if they could help me, and when they ask if they can help me, I thank them and say, no, it's my responsibility to take care of this. So that's what I'm doing. I hope so far God has given me the strength and health to keep at this, which I do pretty much every day when the weather is not inclement. It's my morning discipline. It's kind of like a morning spiritual exercise in a certain way. And I do actually try to remember to pray while I'm doing it. Of course, living in this world that we're in right now, this contemporary world, which is so far from God, it's not far from God, it's far from the awareness of God's presence, that it's very difficult, even if a person has that specific intention, which I do. It's hard to have a prayerful life. It's hard to have any kind of, devotional life in this age. But we do the best we can, right? So I hope all of you are doing the best you can as well.